TX! TX! TX!
Oy, si Bert Lumboy, happy birthday. Bet
Okay,
pala, Bet
maraming
Lumboy.
salamat Dr. Vicky Bello, Celeste Tuviera, and Susan Aquino of Symmetria. Maraming salamat Dr. Evelyn San Luis ang Flawless. At open na po ang Flawless sa SM Makati Metatayon Gold Gym. At happy birthday kay Dennis Valdez and Basti and Elgan.
Asawa ni Tessa ba yan?
And happy birthday to Emma Ribadulio of Katuwig, Northern Samar, Mernal Yus of Las Navas, Northern Samar, Marivic Nieto of California, yung mga taga-Katuwig at mga Las Navas na binabaha, ingat lang kayo dyan. And happy birthday pa rin kay Roy Tiamson, Ina Corpus, Tony Azucena, Nino Ian Espena, only son of Tita Swarding, Jel Guerrero of Dali City from Nestor Guerrero. Happy viewing to Uncle Doming Fua and Auntie Betty. And happy birthday to Mau Dizon.
At salamat sa Nail Loft, Hand and Foot Spa, Joseph and J. Mark's Family Grill, Zagu, Sweet Corner, King Su, Twist and Fry, Eitel Design Furniture Depot,
Kingsway.
Osram,
Kingsway.
Kingsway ba yun? Ewan, Osram Metal. Hindi ko nakatikim, pasensya na. Bizarre, Aquabest, Samsung Electronics Philippines, everyone's invited. ACR Furniture, Modern Design Furniture, Bello, Flawless, Magic Jelly. Padala nyo ko ng Kingsway para malaman ko ang pronunciation. Okay, and Trinity High School, Grand Alumni Homecoming will be kailan? 2011, 6 p.m. February 15 at the Trinity College High School Quadrangle. Okay.
Oy, Alisa,
Ako na po. Thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Caparas and Bello Medical Group, Flawless, Metatayon, Nurse Placenta, Bubukalo Shoes,
Yun!
Biner Hair Fashion, kayo mo din for my outfit, Bello
2011
Essentials,
na,
Rohit Prepario for my makeup, Dr. Hyla Dizon Santos for my dental care, Dr. San Luis of Flawless, and happy wedding anniversary to Jocelyn and Ardel Galang, and happy birthday to Jonessa Galang.
Sharon Coneta, happy
Yun lang.
birthday.
Yes, mega happy birthday. At narito na ang mega bate ni Lolit.
Ay!
Ganon? Hindi. Gusto ko nga palang sabihin sa lahat na may bahay kanlungan, House of Angel sa San Andres Bukid sa Manila na itinatag ni Mayor Lito Atienza at ni Happy Birthday Girl Beng Atienza na may 340 babies na 14 years na pong nakatayo na kumakalinga sa mga unwanted baby. Kung gusto nyo may mag-alaga sa anak nyo, dalhin nyo doon. Mama Peli de la Cruz, Mayor Enrico Roque, Jenny Napoles, Boy Abunda ng Pure Gold, Mama Bing Perez, Weng Jamaji ng Dubai, Dr. Vicky Bello, Ruby Cuyuto ng Flawless, Dr. Evelyn San Luis, Joey Santos ng House of Pabaji, Coral Science Makeup, Chris de la Cruz at Carol Lungo ng Magic Jelly, Lucky Bamboo, Roland and Ole Espiritu, Metatayon, Ascor Bicasit, Erning Lim ng Ultra Mega.
Tara na! Tayo na! Romantic! Romantic!
Unang rampa, ang pagkatapos ni Francesca Far at ni fashion designer Ito Corata at Ito's Resident sa Ayala, Alabang. Ang kilalang fashion designer na kasi ang formal na hahawak para sa mga isusuot na damit ng young kapuso singer-actress. Bongga! Next yan! Go tayo sa Shangri-La Makati for Men's Health and Women's Health Presscon with power couple covers Lucy Torres and Richard Gomez.
TN!
Bumabati man si Lolit, may kwento pang mainit. Patuloy na inaabangan, isyung palaban, walang liputan.
Mayor TX! Uli Luna, nagka-dengue scare?
Hospital beauty ng 2011.
Kukoronahan na!
Prone talaga ako sa mga aksidente. Sabi ko nga simula pa lang ng taon, may sakit na ako.
Akala ng pamilya niya ay nagka-dengue. Pero severe allergic reaction lang pala sa higay.
I think nanggaling siya sa hair kasi meron ako ditong clip-ons eh. Nag-start siya sa left shoulder, mga 4 spots lang. Until parang na siyang naging parang dinosaur. As in, ang dami na, tapos sobrang lumpy. And apparently, yung pag nahihigad ka pala, napopoison niya rin yung blood mo. So, I had fever for around 4 days to 5 days. Nakakatakot kasi yung feeling niya is the same feeling ng dengue.
Dinala ka sa ospital?
Na-hospitalize. Kasi nahihilo na ako, tapos nagkaka-fever na ako.
So may dumalo bang someone?
Wala. Special medicine lang. Wala, hindi na uso ang special someone ngayon.
Talaga, parang wala na.
Wala na. I gave up. Ayoko na muna.
TX!
I I wish that he can find the right girl.
Marami daw dapat ipagpasalamat ang Brazilian model at Itbulaga mainstay na si Diana Menezes dahil naging maganda ang taong 2010 para sa kanya.
Maraming achievements eh. I was able to get into acting. I was able to buy my own place. You know, like I was able to bring my mom to the Philippines.
Kamakailan lang ay dumalaw sa bansa ang ina ni Diana and they were able to spend the holiday season in Boracay.
I'm just so happy that people are taking care of me here. Because syempre I'm alone. She really loves everybody, my family from Itbulaga and all my friends. Sinabi na, ano ba yun? Mas Filipina ka pa kaysa Brazil. Sabi ko, I know. I was just like, you're so different. Even the way you talk, your accent, then you lost your Portuguese. I'm like, Mom, I'm sorry, but you know, I'm really a Filipino right now. She's like, are you willing to marry a Filipino? Sabi ko, why not?
And speaking of marrying a Pinoy guy, naipakilala ba niya sa kanyang ina ang rumored boyfriend niyang si Sam YG o mas kilala bilang si Shivaker?
Sino? Na-meet niya, oo.
Hindi pa man formal na umaamin sina Sam at Diana sa kanilang relasyon pero balitang hiwalay na daw ang dalawa.
I don't think I can take a relationship right now in my life. And sometimes you just realize na some people, they're not meant to each other. And then it's just that. Never naging kami eh. So, never naman, it was never official.
Dati pa naman na mag-best friend kami. So, friends pa rin naman. Oo. I don't think naman magpapalit yung ano.
We only had an MU that, of course, I will never deny that. I would be so plastic if I tell you guys na wala naman nangyari ng MU or whatsoever. But I think that was it, you know. And like, nowadays, I call him Kuya Sam. I like him so much.
Pero si Sam nga ba ang pinatutukuyan ni Diana sa isa sa mga tweets niya sa kanyang Twitter account? And we quote, I don't remember leaving somebody in love and regretting after. As far as I'm concerned, love is a choice. Conscience can give you a heartache. Unquote.
Secret, no. I really love doing quotations and all. Like, do never regret of people that you've loved, even if there's something, parang any masamang loob or something, never regret of anything. So that's why sometimes I put those love quotations, but nothing personal naman.
Hard naman to say kung sinong, kung meron pinaparinggan or something. If there's something, I think she'd tell me naman siguro diretso and not through Twitter.
Ano naman kaya ang reaksyon ni Sam sa nagkasama at nagkabanding daw sina Diana at ang isa sa mga bida ng hit US series na Glee na si Mark Solling?
Yun o, wala namang problema doon. Ba't naman, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Ngayong friends na lang sila ni Sam, masasabi ba ni Diana na zero ang kanyang love life?
I wouldn't say zero, but wala. Parang happy lang ako ngayon.
Isang mensahe naman ang iniwan ni Diana para kay Sam.
I wish that he can find the right girl and I'm so sorry if I wasn't the one, you know what I mean? Well, there's nothing to blame, no one to blame, nothing, no hurt at all, no hard feelings. He's such a great guy.
For Diana, well, alam naman niya na I'm always here and she's a very talented, she's quite a woman. So there.
Vanessa Del Moral at Beboy Ramirez, nagle-live-in na nga ba?
Vanessa! Look, bigla!
Bago matapos ang 2010, biglang kumalat ang supposed prenup pictorials raw ni Vanessa at Beboy.
Wala pa kaming ginagawang prenup pictorial ni B-Boy at hindi pa kami nagpipicture sa isang garden. Yung nagawa naming picture dati na nakapost sa Facebook namin, yun yung palaging inaasahan ng mga kaibigan namin na, ano yan, prenup na ba yan?
Oh, sige, walang prenup pics. Live-in naman raw kayo.
Nakatira kami sa isang street sa Project 4. Yung bahay ko is 3 houses apart mula sa bahay niya. Pero ngayon pinag-iisipan ko kung lilipat ako dun sa tabi nila mismo kasi may ginagawang apartment dun. So at least hindi na kami 3 houses apart. Ano na lang, magkapit-bahay na talaga, neighbors na talaga.
Pero kiribes mo ba ang ideya ng live-in?
Okay lang naman. Oo. Wala naman kaming ibang karelasyon kundi kaming dalawa lang So, okay lang. Bakit hindi?
Mag-live-in muna kayo before the wedding.
Pwede rin. Bakit hindi?
Startup PX!